this video, we're going to be looking at the Curl Baby pattern. We're using actually a lace, Designed by Nature lace closure. And this one has actually been pre-washed, but we're going to wet it in our basin of conditioner water, just so you can see how the pattern looks wet. Then we'll dry it up again and show you the results. Using our paddle brush, just gonna brush right on through. My brush glides right on through. This is a 18-inch here. Okay, gonna get her rinsed out, get that conditioner rinsed out, lay it out to dry, and we'll be back with the results. All right, we've got our Designed by Nature Curl Baby lace closure, conditioner all rinsed out. Just gonna lay her out to dry. Let her dry and we'll be back to show you the results. Okay, our Designed by Nature Curl Baby lace closure has fully dried. Will you look at those curls? Just look at those curls. I mean, my goodness, look at those ringlets. They're gorgeous. It's so beautiful. It's just fluffy, it's soft, it's airy, it's gorgeous. And the other pieces were so pretty as well. Just difficult to see with a half bundle, you know, versus a whole. But look at these curls. Bounce, soft, fluffiness, absolutely natural and gorgeous. Baby, curly baby hairs, just gorgeous. That's a beautiful, beautiful piece. Curl Baby, Designed by Nature. Beautiful. I want to put the Curl Baby closure right next to the Kinky Curl Baby closure, so you can see the difference there. Now this is an 18-inch, this is a 14-inch, but just look at the size of the ringlets on the Curl Baby, size of the pattern. And then the Kinky Curl Baby. Do you see how much smaller those ringlets are? Right? A lot more fluff, a lot more frizz, a lot kinkier. This is the original Curl Baby, Jace Designed by Nature Curl Baby. This is Jace Designed by Nature Kinky Curl Baby, side by side. Both lace closures. The silk closures are amazing, ladies, amazing. We just happen to be working with silk lace today. There you go.